In this video, you'll learn how to delete your OKX wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully remove a wallet from your OKX wallet extension. Begin by opening the OKX wallet extension on your browser. Look for the extension icon, typically located in the upper right corner of your browser window, and click on it to launch the wallet interface. Once the wallet interface appears, navigate to the settings section. This can be found by locating the gear icon or the option labeled Web3 Wallet Settings within the interface. Click on this option to access the settings menu. After entering the settings menu, find and select wallet management. This section allows you to view all your wallets and manage their settings. Click on wallet management to proceed to the next step. In the wallet management section, click on the manage button. This action will display a list of all the wallets associated with your OKX wallet extension. Identify the wallet you wish to delete from this list. Next, select the wallet you want to delete. You will see 3 dots next to the wallet name. Click on these 3 dots to reveal additional options related to that specific wallet. Now click on the option labeled Delete Wallet. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm the deletion of the wallet. Carefully read the information presented in the prompt to ensure you are deleting the correct wallet. Finally, click on the delete button to complete the process. After this action, the wallet will be permanently removed from your OKX wallet extension. Be aware that if you delete a wallet, you will lose access to any assets stored in that wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.